Hello everyone, so today this is going to be shot in a weird way. I'm shooting this on my P20 Pro camera. I have a new kind of camera tripody, kind of bendy thing, I don't know what it is. But yeah, I thought I would record this like this and see how it goes. So yeah, it's very, very warm here and I'm looking over this way and the camera's that way. I do apologise, that is going to happen quite a bit. But I have 3 things to open. I thought we'd do them on camera, see how this camera angle is, etc, etc. So, yes. Yeah, the camera's recording. So the first one is from Zalando. This is the one that most people are probably going to be interested in. So I thought we'd open this one first. So, let's open it up. It's exciting. Okay. So, I'm get it out. It's a bag. It is a Coach bag. Now I saw this online and I fell like pretty much instantly in love with it, and they had a massive sale on, and then I got a discount code as well, and then like cash back as well from Quidco, so this costs like nowhere near the price that it's worth. So let's open it up, see how it looks. So it comes all wrapped up. And then, it's here. It is the Coach Chelsea Crossbody. I think that's what it's called. And yes, so we have our strap here. And so it's like this. And then you've got the crossbody strap as well. Not going to open it right now because that would take too long. But this is what it looks like. It's so soft. That is so beautiful and so soft. And just, yes. The smell of leather, yes. So, yeah, if anyone is interested, I might do a little review on this when I've been using it for a while. If I like it, I don't know. I might try it on and think, no, I don't like it. So, but yeah, the Coach Chelsea Crossbody. It's beautiful. So we have that, then we have this. I ordered, as soon as the Washington Capitals won the Stanley Cup playoffs, I ordered a bunch of stuff from the NHL website in America, but it's only just started coming in. Now, I had got a box of, like a week ago that had a couple of the items in it, and one of them was a keyring, the other one was a sticker, and it came in a box this size. This didn't come in a box this size, but it is this. It is a Washington Capitals Stanley Cup champions. I think these are called koozie colder, so they keep your cans cold. So you just put your can in there, and then yeah. So it's the design on this side. And then Stanley Cup champions on this side. I love that. That is so cool. And then onto our box again, which is more Stanley Cup goodness. This just has 2 items in it, I think. So yeah, I'm still waiting on 2 things. They had a Blu-ray which isn't released yet, and they have like player signed photos. I ordered one of those. I was like looking through them all, like they had signed pucks and they had signed photos. I wanted a photo because I think signed pucks, I already have loads of signed pucks. I think photos you can like get framed and put them up. But they didn't have a Nathan Walker one. I wanted a Nathan Walker one, but they didn't have one, so I ended up getting another one. But I will show you that as and when time comes. I wanted an Alex Ovechkin one, but I am not paying. I think it was like $200 or something. I ain't paying that. I like got one of the cheap ones at like $39.99. That's dollars, by the way. So in here, oh yeah. So we have an officially licensed Stanley Cup champions puck. It's got the picture on there from the night where I cried buckets. And then we have a t-shirt. I would have ordered this from the UK, but I wanted like a woman's size one, and they only do like the plus size women's size in America, so I had to order it from there. So yes. Oh my god, that is actually massive. Oh god, I've ordered it too big. I know I was gonna do that, but that is massive. But Stanley Cup champions, that is actually huge. So yeah, that is disappointing. I will see how it looks on, but that is actually massive. But anyway, that is my haul for today. This is my Coach bag. Isn't it pretty? So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Adios.